Yan. Okay. A window. Ayan. So, okay. Welcome ulit sa um, pang ano na natin to, pang 11 for the whole month of June. Dami na, no? Um, and ito, we are in the second to third quarter na ng grade 10. Pero this is one of the most important topic sa math ngayon, no? Na matutunan nyo. Ito ay geometry, pero in particular, circles tsaka polygons. So, we'll start first with the polygons, then we'll focus more on the circles part later kasi yun yung mas importante, no? Sige, let's start. Let's start with polygons first. Polygons is a closed figure made up of a finite number of straight edges and vertices. Kasi pag naging infinite yung number of straight edges and vertices natin, ang form natin ay circle. Which, yon. So, ito lang, just to distinguish, polygons, finite number of straight edges and vertices siya. Okay? Ngayon, we'll go over some terms, pero madali lang, so don't worry. Una-una, interior angle, na-encounter na natin to sa triangles discussion natin. Basta ang interior angle inside a polygon, angle inside a polygon at a vertex, no? Parang dito. Yan. Then exterior angle, sabi natin dati, formed by the extension of a side. Tas adjacent siya sa interior angle, no? So, yan. Yan ang exterior angle. Okay? Then, ito, just a few formulas, no? The sum of the interior angles, sum of the measures of the interior angles, is 180 times n minus 2, regardless if regular or irregular yung polygon, no? Then, the measure of an angle is siyempre 180 times n minus 2 over n, where n is the number of sides. And for the exterior angles naman, kahit ano pa man yan, yung sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. Or, ayun. So, the measure of each, assuming na regular polygon siya, is 360 divided by n. Then, ito pa, more types of polygons. Convex polygon, interior angles are all less than 180, parang ito, no? Ayan, lahat yan less than 180. Then, a concave polygon, ayan, merong isa na more than 180 degrees. Ito. Ayan, pag ganon, concave polygon ang tawag. So, we'll be dealing mostly with convex polygons, no? Then, ang more types of polygons, according to sides and angle measures, mali ako ng spelling. Let me correct that na nga. Yan. Regular polygon, all the sides and all the interior angles of 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 the polygon are congruent, no? And if irregular naman, all sides and not all sides and interior angles are congruent. O yan, no? Example, ito, pareho sila ng side measure and pareho sila ng measure na interior angle. Ang tawag dyan ay regular pentagon kasi 5 sides. Ito naman, irregular pentagon kasi hindi sila pareho na side measures lahat. Then, yan, hindi sila pare-pareho ng angle measure. Then, diagonal naman is simply a line segment joining two vertices of a polygon. Take note na, porket diagonal, hindi kailangan nasa loob ng polygon. Ayan, now look at this. Example, ito, ayan, sa convex for sure, lahat sa loob. Pero ito, look at this concave polygon we have here. Yan, no? EH is a diagonal, no? And pati HF, kakaiba, no? Pero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, ayan. Kita dito na kahit kakaiba yung figure, no? Kahit nasa labas pa siya or nag-cross ng side, diagonal pa rin siya. So, it's not this, and most importantly, hindi siya edge ng polygon. The number of diagonals in a polygon, whether regular siya or irregular, is d equals n times n minus 3 over 2, where n is the number of sides. Okay? Sige. Let's have a short break. Short example. Sige nga, try this out. A regular polygon has an exterior angle of measure 18 degrees. Find the following. Then, send your answer sa group chat natin. I'll just give you 2 minutes to do this. Sige, go. Dali lang yan. Okay, 2 minutes is up. Go, send the answers. Tara. Okay, last one. Okay, sige, let's start. Ito, look at the whiteboard na lang, no? Measure of an interior angle. So, measure of interior angle as long as, teka, yan. So, as long as, di ba, exterior angle ito. So, ayun na, interior angle, 162 degrees. Number 2, sum of the interior angles. Pero di natin alam kung ilan yung sides, no? So, let's answer letter C muna. How many sides does the polygon have? Best approach is to, kasi di ba, equals 18, 360 over n. N equals 20. Then for letter B, 180 times 20 minus 2 equals 3240. And lastly, how many diagonals alam na natin kung ilan yung sides. 20 times 17 over 2 equals 170. Good job. Okay. Ngayon, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, teka. Yan. Sige. Ito. Correct. Good job. Ngayon, how do we get the area of any polygon? So, there might be, there are formulas naman, kaya lang the most generic way is to chop-chop. Example, given ka ng octagon, tulad dito, pwede natin siya hati-hatiin into 8 parts and then get the area of each, then find the area. Ito naman, ayan, irregular siya, di ba? Pero we can divide it into such para madaling kunin yung mga area. We won't focus on this too much kasi madali lang naman to. Pero, this is one concept na very useful and powerful. The apothem is a perpendicular bisector from the center to the side of a regular polygon. Ayan, so example, yung regular polygon lang to, take note. Example, in-inscribe natin sa loob ng circle yung regular polygon natin, then we can find the following parts. We have the radius here. Then, given a side measure, we can get the measure of the apothem. Bakit siya malakas? Bakit siya powerful? Kasi the area of an apothem of any regular polygon given the apothem is 1/2 a times p, where p is the perimeter of the regular polygon and a is the apothem. Ba't siya ganyan? Kasi kung isipin natin, diba, example yan, hexagon, divided into 6. We're going to get the area of one triangle, then times 6. It's just the same as this one. Diba? Naisip nyo ba yan? Wrong wording. Ayun, that's something we can think about, no? Okay. Next. Ngayon, sige. Determine the area of a six-sided regular polygon inscribed in a circle of radius 6. Sige nga, guys. Send your answer sa group chat. 1 minute lang. Sige, how about the others? Okay, good job. Sige, let's discuss. Ito. So, let's go to the whiteboard first. So, 6 to, di ba? Then, 36 to 90. Then, you would get na, teka, na-mind lock ako. We'll get na 2 square root of 3 ito. Di ba? Then, we'll get na you'll get na this one is, teka, you get that this one is 3. Tama ba? Yes, tama. Oo nga, equilateral triangle pala siya. Okay. Pero nevertheless, using this method, ayan. Tapos ito rin 3. So we have our required given na area equals 1/2 times apothem to square root of 3 times sorry. Bakit?
3 root 3 po ata. 3 square root of 3.
Oo nga. Ah, sorry. Okay, tama. Ayan. Okay. Sorry. Ayan. Apothem is 3 root 3. Then you have the side length 6 times 6 kasi yun yung perimeter equals to 54 square root of 3. Good job. Okay. Sige, next. Ngayon, we go to the main topic for today. Circles, no? Okay. So, this might not be new for you already, pero let's just go over it. So, basic definitions muna. Circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point, called a center. Okay? How do we name circles pala? We name it through the use of the center, yung point na sa center. So, this one is called circle P. Okay? Tapos, the radius naman, yung distance na yun, no? From the center to the circumference. Equal yan. Kahit saan man mag-extend yan. Next, Next is the chord naman. Chord is a straight line with endpoints on the circle. Then then we have heard of the term diameter, no? First of all, it's equal to 2 times the radius, but more importantly, it's the longest chord. Kasi it passes through the center. And chord din ang diameter kasi its endpoints are on the circle. Second naman ay line that intersects the circle at 2 distinct points. Line siya, hindi siya line segment, no? Yun ang pinagkaiba niya. Pero, yung tangent is also like a secant, pero take note, intersects the circle at 1 point only. Then, as we'll know later through a theorem, yung radius perpendicular parate sa tangent line. Okay? The point at which kung saan yung tangent line is called the point of tangency. Okay? Point of tangency. Then some more terms, circles are concentric if they have if they share a common center, tulad dito. Then circles are internally tangent if they intersect in exactly 1 point. Pero okay, let's just make the word simple, no? As long as ganito yung mukha nung circles natin, ibig sabihin niyan, internally tangent. Ayan na, they are tangent to the same line and tangent sila, nasa loob yung isa. Okay? Externally tangent naman, kapag tangent sila sa parehong line, pero nasa labas sila ng isa't isa. Walang nasa loob. Okay? Tapos circumference of the circle is 2 pi r or pi d, and the area is pi r squared or pi d squared over 4. Now, let's just move on to some in deeper sa ating segments in a circle, no? There are lots of segments in a circle, as we have discussed kanina. Pero they have some special theorems or properties. Yan, let's start with tangents. Una, a line perpendicular to a radius at its outer end is tangent to the circle. So, if meron lang tayong nakita line, tas nakita natin na perpendicular yung radius doon, ibig sabihin, tangent yung line na yon sa circle. Okay? Then, next, Every tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius drawn to the point on a circle. So, binaliktad lang natin. Pag may tangent sa circle, sinabi natin tangent, then we're sure na perpendicular yung radius doon. Okay? AB is a tangent to CD at point D. Next, when two segments are drawn from an external point, tas tangent sila sa circle, pareho ng length to. Okay? Pareho yan, ha? Tapos, some were terms, common tangents. Ito ay common internal tangent. And ito ay common external tangent. Magkaiba siya kanina sa internally tangent and externally tangent. They don't have a formal definition, pero this is how they look like. Okay? And for chords naman, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. Then, simply to say, no? Pag nag-drawing tayo ng line from the radius to the midpoint ng isang chord, sure tayong perpendicular sila. And moreover, yung radius natin, perpendicular bisector siya parati ng chord. Okay? Then, more converses of the theorem, kapag may perpendicular bisector ng chord, ibig sabihin, nagpa-pass through siya sa center. Okay? Sige. Point kasi wait lang, ha. Okay, sige. Yan, Pn is a perpendicular bisector to ML. Okay? Sige, let's try these. Let's try these exercises. I'll give you 3 minutes per item. Send lang kayo ng working or solution when you're done. Okay? Nag-gets pala yung mga tinuro ko kanina. Okay naman? Sige, go lang. Just keep the answers coming. Double check mo. Sige, double check. Double check ulit. Ay, sorry. Wait lang. 400 minus 25. Sorry. Mali ako ng compute. Kaya pala eh. Sige, go. Yung iba, habol mo na. Tama pala mo. I'm sorry. Okay, good job. Sige, let's discuss. Um, Galing nga. Okay. So, this one is 20. This one is 5. Ayan, this is one thing important para sa geometry is to know how to draw the figures. So, this one, BE is square root of, by Pythagorean theorem, 400 minus 25 is square root of 375, which is equal to 5 square root of 15. Good job. Sige. Ganun ulit for 3 minutes. Ayan. 5 square root of 15. Okay. Ito naman, next problem. Three minutes. Let's see, double check. Baka yun nakuha mo diameter. Tayo lang Find the length. Okay, sige. After this, may challenge ako sa inyo. Pero okay. Kasi this is an important formula din. Pero okay, good job for root 3. Sige, let's discuss muna. In a circle, a chord, 12 cm. Teka lang ha. Let me see yung problem. A chord 12 cm long is parallel to a tangent. So, sabihin natin dito. And bisects the radius drawn to the point of tangency. Teka lang ha. A chord 12 cm long is parallel to a tangent and bisects the radius drawn to the point of tangency. Okay, this is a better figure. Sorry. Yan. Tapos binabisect niya raw to. Ayan. Okay. Bisect. So, alam natin agad na right triangle siya. So, how long is the radius? 6 ito. R over 2. R. By Pythagorean theorem, solving gives an answer na r squared equals 36 plus r squared over 4. Then, simplifying, 3r squared over 4 equals 36. R squared equals 48. R equals 4 square root of 3. Good job! Okay. Sige, parang dahil tingin ko naman gets yung lesson. Sige, I'll give you a challenge, guys. Important din to kasi tinatanong din sa amin to dati eh. Okay, sige. Bilang summary sa part na yun, okay, sabihin natin may triangle tayo. Right triangle. If sides A, B, C. Then, I draw yung kanya. Then, may circle sa loob, no? Tangent to the three sides of the triangle. What is the length of the radius no circle na yon? Express in terms of A, B, and C. Sige nga. Nag-gets yung tanong, guys? Nag-gets naman yung tanong, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Sige. Okay. Galing. Sige. Oh? Okay. Area over perimeter. Kasi, R, RS, no? RS equals AB over 2. R equals to, um, I'm ano, I'm looking for, I'm looking for, ano, yes, tama yan, sige, pero there's another way eh. Meron pang isang, there's another expression aside from that. Times 2 over A plus B plus C. Go. May mas simple pa dyan. Pwede rin yan. Kaya lang, assuming na hindi natin alam na ang area ng triangle ay ang area ng triangle ay r times the semi-perimeter. Sige. Teka lang. Utilize niyo yung fact na tangents ito. Merong over to sa denominator. Oh, sige. Ito, look. Hindi, may type. Sige. Let's wait. Okay, sige, let's proceed. Oh, ito look. Watch watch. Sige, dahil hanap natin ay radius, okay, so let's utilize the radius. Let's make it as r, no? Kasi example, di ko alam yung fact na ang area nito ay indeed rs. Let's say mm, let's say na r to. So, right triangle siya. Take note, congruent to, right angle din yon, right angle din to. So, we're sure na square yan. R. E minus R, B minus R, B minus R, E minus R din ito. Pero take note, sige, let's examine this. No? Examine natin ito. Ito ay also C minus B minus R, which is actually equal to this, A minus R. C minus B plus R equals A minus R. 2R equals A plus B minus C. R equals A plus B minus C over 2. Okay? Ayan. Hacks yan, guys. Pag given yan, example, binigyan kayo ng 3 sides of a right triangle, tapos sabihin sa inyo, what is the radius of the biggest circle that can be inscribed sa loob ng isang right triangle na yun? Yung radius nun ay ito. Where A and B are the two legs, and C ay yung hypotenuse. Actually, pag meron ganito yung relationship na side, tsaka na radius, sigurado kang right triangle yung triangle mo. Okay? That's a theorem somewhere. Pero yun, that's how we use tangents. Gets ba, guys? Gets ba, guys?
Apa, yes.
Ayan, okay, sige. Ayan, this is the answer I was expecting. Pero good job, nevertheless, no? Okay. Sige, let's move. We're almost done na pala. It's okay, I have the problem set prepared now. We can start with that. Power of a point. So, power of a point, basically, ine-examine natin what will happen if two segments in a circle intersect, no? Tapos they have relationships. So, let's say ng omega isang circle and P be a point. Let M be a line through P, which meets omega at points A and B, and N be another line through P at which meets omega at points C and D. Ayan, then, for any of these two cases, PA times PB equals PC times PD. Okay? Tangent secant naman. Paano kung tangent at secant? Special case siya, actually, ng power theorem. Pag naman ganon, pag yung isa tangent, pag yung isa secant, no? PA part times the whole equals PC squared. Okay? Sige, find the value of X. Ay, di pala ako Teka, ulitin
Wait,
ko.
sure. Yung formula.
Ano?
Ano po ulit yung formula?
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko napakita yung slides. Isa pa. Let's repeat for a bit. Sorry. So, 2 seconds. Let omega be a circle. Then, erase natin lahat ng ink. Let omega be a circle and P be a point. Yun yung nilagyan natin ng power of a point. Then, let M be a line through P, which meets the circle at point C and D. And let N be another line through P, which meets omega at point C and D. Then, for these both cases, PA times PB equals PC times PD. PA times PB equals PC times PD. Then, kapag naman tangent sa secant yung nag-intersect, ganito lang yan. PA, part, times the whole equals this one squared. Yun. So, sana madali na siyang tandaan. So, ito. Find the value of x. Uh, 3 minutes. One point five. Can you show me your solution, guys? Okay. Sige. I know. Op. Balikan natin ulit yung formula, guys, ha? Balikan natin ulit. Dapat, look closely. P part times the whole equals ito times yung buo. Erase ko yung ink, ha? Gets PC times PD equals PA times PB. Pero kapag intersecting chords sa loob, tsaka lang yung ganon. Yung parang kung paano sila nahati, PA times PB equals PC times PD. Ganon siya kapag sa loob ng circle. Ito pag sa labas. Okay? Sige. Isa pa. Yun. 2 dapat. Tama, 2. Yan. So, teka lang, ha. So, okay, let me show you na yung So, ganito, ulitin ko ulit for just para lang hindi tayo malito. Kapag ganito, example, ganyan, no? Tapos, ito may lengths na A, B, C, D. Pag sa loob nag-intersect yung chords, AB equals CD. Tapos pag sa labas naman, A, B, C, D, A times A plus B equals C times C plus D. Yan, remember, wag malito sa formula. Okay? Sige, now let's discuss yung ating item dito. Yan, di ba? 3, x times x plus 10, x times x plus 10 equals to 3 times 3 plus 5, which is 8, no? X squared plus 10x minus 24 equals 0. Then, factoring out, x plus 12 times x minus 2 equals 0. Ito lang yung pwede kasi ito negative, no? Kung isa-substitute naman natin yung negative dito, bawal. So, dapat x equals 2 lang. Gets ba, guys? Gets
Yes,
naman?
sir.
Okay, sige. Now, let's move on to the next item. Um, Sorry if medyo di malinaw yung pagka-state ko kanina, no? Okay, sige. For the next item, ganito. Ayan. Okay, good job. Tama, two-thirds. Sige, let's just discuss briefly. Ito. Ito. Ito raw ay, B, D, A, E, C. 1, 4, 6x. May power theorem, 6x equals 1 times 4 equals 4. X equals 2/3. Okay, nakuha niyo naman lahat. Sige, last one. Ay, sorry, di ko ano yung item. To last one. Sarang guys, ha? Oh, check. Teka. Let's check the answer. Sige, wait lang, ha? Check again. Eighteen equals x squared. Check ulit guys, check ulit. Yun. May I ask, bakit 6 square root of 2 yung naging sagot nyo kanina? Ayun, okay. Sige. Ayan na, ingat lang. Ingat parati sa formula. Okay, pakita ko na lang ha. Ganun talaga. Pag first time yung natutunan nito, yeah, medyo nakakalito siya at first. Pero tama, 6 units. Sige, let's see. Um, Teka lang ha. Okay, so, ito. Yan. T, A, B, C, O. So, 80 equals 3 square root of 2. Then, itong AB equals BC. So, sabihin natin X, no? So, using the power theorem, 3 square root of 2 squared equals AB times AC. X times 2x. 2x squared equals 18. X squared equals 9. X equals 3. 3 times 2, 6. Gets ba, guys? Gets, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Um, tala ha. I'll just, I'll just give you more exercises about this. Teka lang ha, baka medyo nalilito pa rin kayo. Sige, wait lang ha. Sige, let's have 3 minutes break. Okay lang ba yon? Go, 3 minutes break tayo. Go. 5 minutes na lang pala. Sige, let's take a break first. Go. Kailangan mag-CR, go lang. I'll look for more para we can practice pa. Okay, sige. Tara, let's start. Okay, sige, let's start. I'll put this in one go na. 1, 2, tara. 1, 2, 3. Tara nga. Hindi sila kasha. Ayan, okay. Ito, ayan. Try the three of that. Okay, sige. I'll wait for 10 minutes siguro. Or 5 minutes na lang para. Sige, 5 minutes. Times 24 squared plus 5x minus 24. So, x plus 8x minus 3. So, 3. Plus ito, 64. X squared plus 12x minus 64. X plus 4. Plus ito, x squared minus 7. Squared by 7, x plus 12, x minus 20. Okay. Sige, go lang. Sige, let's wait for one more. Sige, let's discuss in a bit. Sige. Oh, let's discuss. Ganito. Paano kaya to? Okay? Sige, dun muna tayo sa pinaka-lower left, no? Sa lower left, ganito dapat. Kaya lang, sa lower left, ganito. Power theorem, x times x plus 12 equals 8 squared. X squared plus 12x minus 64 equals 0. X minus, plus 16, x minus 4 equals 0. X equals 4. Okay? Sige. Next, yung nasa upper middle naman, ganito. Ganito. 2, 10, x5. 2 times 10 plus 2 equals x times x plus 5. X squared plus 5x equals 24. X squared plus 5x minus 24 equals 0. X plus 8 times x minus 3 equals 0. X equals 3. And lastly, ito. Yan. X times 7 minus x equals 3 times 4. So, by power theorem, 3 times 4 equals x times 7 minus x. X squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. X minus 4 times x minus 3 equals 0. Let's check yung mga values, 4 or 3. Paano pag 3 dito, tsaka 4? Okay naman, di ba? Paano pag 4 tsaka 3 dito? Okay rin. So, nevertheless, kahit ano, pwede. Okay? So, ang mga sagot, ito. Ito yung tamang sagot. This one is correct. Teka. Tama yung kay Mo. This one is the correct answers. Okay, gets ba guys?
Yes, sir.
Teka na. Sige, next. Last part of our lesson. Ito, medyo marami to. So, brace yourselves na lang. Circle naman. Angle sa loob ng isang circle. So, first of all, some terminologies. Yung arc, siya yung curved line along the circumference of the circle. The total sum of arc measures in a circle, obviously, is 360 degrees. So, next is, ayan. Pag mas malaki yung mas malaking arc, ang tawag sa kanya, major arc. Pag naman mas maliit, minor arc. So, ito ang major arc BC, and this one is minor arc BC. Okay? Then, ayan, um, just an example, if given tayo ng measure nito, yung measure ng BEC, or basically yung major arc natin, is 360 minus the measure of the minor arc. And as we'll discuss in a while, itong measure nito equal yan kasi central angle, pero we'll discuss more of that later. Then, arc addition theorem states that yung measure ng arc nito can be expressed as the sum of two smaller arcs, BD plus DC. Okay? Central angles. Yung central angle formed by two radii. Yung vertex niya nandito. Yan. And kung ano yung measure nito, yun din yung measure ng central angle. Okay? Some terms, intercepted arc. Ayan yung angle na interception nito. Pag naman baliktad, arc AB subtends angle AOB. Okay? Yan, some terminologies lang. Mali ito kasi wala akong makita ang symbol na pag ganon, yung payo na ganon. So, ano yan, parody lang yan. Pero dapat pag ganon yan. Okay? Sige. In a circle, or congruent circles, congruent central angles have congruent central arcs. Okay? Ang sabihin yan, simple lang. Kapag equal ito, equal rin yung, equal din yung arc measure nila, and more importantly, equal yung kanilang measure ng chord. Okay? Sige. Ayun, in a circle, ay nasabi ko na pala yan. Ayun. So, basically, kapag equal yung central angles, equal din yung measure ng chords and yung measure ng arcs nila. Okay? Sige. Inscribed angles. Inscribed angle naman, kapag yung vertex ng angle natin nasa circumference. An inscribed angle is an angle with its vertex on the circle. So, sinasabi na nito, the measure of an inscribed angle is 1/2 the measure of the intercepted arc. So, ayan, ito, example, this one. Kung ano yung measure nito, ito, 1/2 dito. Ito rin, 1/2 dito. Okay? Ayan. Sige, gets ha? Ito, twice nito. Ito, twice din ito. Tapos kapag yung inscribed angle natin, I have to answer someone sa messenger. Hi guys, nakita nyo naman yung mga slides ko kanina? Nakikita nyo naman?
Yes sir.
Okay, kasi nalimutan kong i-unpin yung view eh. So, di ko na ulitin na. Okay lang? Sige.
Ayan po.
Okay. Okay, so yan. Pag naman inscribed in a semicircle, yung angle natin, ibig sabihin nun, 90 degrees yung angle natin, right? Triangle yun. Kahit ano yun, ha? More importantly, kapag semicircle, ibig sabihin, diameter ito, okay? Kapag diameter yung chord, tapos nagiging tayo ng angle, right angle na agad yun. Okay? Sige, balikan na natin ng konti. Ayan. Central angles. Pareho lang ng arc measure. Pag pareho yung central angles, pareho sila na measure ng chord. Kapag naman inscribed angle, 1/2 siya na measure ng central angle and 1/2 din yung measure ng arc ngayon. Ayan. Then kapag yung angle natin inscribed as semicircle, right angle siya. Then ito next, angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. So basically, itong tatlo na yan, dahil pareho lang sila ng arc na intercepted, which is AC, sabihin congruent lahat sila. Next, tangent chord angles. An angle formed by an intersecting tangent and chord has its vertex on the circle. So, bali, ayan. Pag ganyan, tas tangent yung isa, tangent chord angle siya. So, sinasabi lang nito, yung measure nito ay 1/2 yung measure nito. So, ang value ng x dito ay 74 degrees. Kasi lumalabas, parang inscribed angle lang siya. Then, kapag naman alternate segment, the measure of the tangent chord angle, yan, itong dalawa, equal yan. Okay? Remember that, ha? So, kapag, ayan na, the measure of the tangent chord angle intersected by an arc is equal to the measures of the inscribed angle intercepted by the same arc. So, yung measure na angle na to, dahil ito yung arc niya, is also congruent to this. Or, in other words, angle AEC equals 1/2 the measure of angle. Ay, mali ito, ah. Teka, baguhin ko lang yung slide. Yan, ganyan. Tas intersecting angles. So kapag kinukuha natin yung measure nito, ayan, yung mga ganyan, vertical angle sila. So pareho lang sila na measure is equal to 1/2 times the measure of this plus the measure of this. Okay? Then, kapag naman sa labas, the measure of this one is equal to this minus this. Major minus minor. Ganon din dito. The measure of this angle is the major minus the minor. Okay? Now, let's, tapos, ganito rin dito. Pero lang yan. Ito, minus ito, 1/2. Yung measure nito. Okay? Then, lastly, cyclic quadrilateral. Pag cyclic quadrilateral whose 4 vertices lie on the circumference of the circle. It has the following properties. Opposite angles are supplementary. Ito plus ito equals 180. Ito plus ito equals 180. And angles subtended by the same arc are congruent. Well, na-discuss na natin to kanina. Pero, sabihin yan, ito, tsaka ito, pareho. Ito, tsaka ito, pareho. Ito, tsaka ito, pareho. Ito, tsaka ito, pareho. So, pag meron kayo nakitang ganyang mga angles, if those relationships, ibig sabihin, cyclic yung quadrilateral natin. Sige nga, let's have an exercise. I'll give you 10 minutes for this. I mean, ilang minutes na ba tayo? I'll give you 10 minutes for this, or 5 minutes siguro. Sige nga, let's go. Pag may tanong, go lang you can ask me sa messenger. Then, I'm gonna give you the handout na para if you want to look back at some formulas, para you can look at it na rin. No? Wait lang guys ha, may gagawin lang ako. Um, ano ko muna to ha. Tapos balik natin. Yan. Okay. Kumusta guys? Sige, Hmm, Kumusta guys? Ayan pala. Sige, go lang. May tanong, go lang ha. We'll just be answering exercises for the last part. Oh, guys, tara, let's try discussing for a bit. Kahit isa lang. Let's go ah. Narapan ba kayo guys? Be honest.
Yes, sir. I'm at a loss.
Okay, sige. Okay ah. Sige. I'm sorry then. Next time, at least, I know how to approach yung mga ganito. Sige, I'll take this muna. There are more exercises pa naman. Sige ah. Let's go. This is the last part naman of our lesson. Sige. Um, I'll just draw everything. Tangent. Okay, tapos ito. Tapos ito. Tapos ito. Actually, nung una ko ito natututunan, it was really hard to, parang, patay, mali ako ng drawing. So, pa? Yan. Sorry guys, hindi ako magaling mag-drawing. N, P, C, I, R, T, E. Okay. So, if we look at this, tara lang ha. Okay, so ito. Ayan, di ba? So, measure of angle TE. So, NC is 30 degrees. Arc CR is 40 degrees. Follow me lang ha. TER is 160. Ito, itong buo, 160. TIE is 20 degrees. Find the measure of arc TE. Ito. So, what do we know? Look at this, ha. Look at this. Ito plus ito equals ito. So, NC plus TE over, wrong. Nasa labas siya, di ba? TE minus NC over 2 equals 20. Nagets ba yun, guys? Kung bakit ganon? Nagets yan? Nagets ba yun, guys?
Good.
Okay, sige. Ayan, di ba? So, substituting TE minus 30 over 2 equals 20. TE equals 80. Okay? Next, TPE. Alam na nating 80 to, di ba? So, let's use our next formula. TE plus NC, dahil nasa loob, ganyan naman siya. Over 2 equals ito. Equals 55 degrees. Nagets ba yun, guys? Nagets yun? Yes or no? Dali. Nagets ba? Hindi. Gets ba hindi, guys?
Sir, which particular theorem is that?
Okay, sige. Let me discuss nga ulit yung natin. Yung mga natin. Sige. Okay. Lilista ko na sa board. Okay? So, sabi ko kanina, ganito yung mga theorem natin, no? Kapag central angle equal yung measures niyan dito. Kapag naman inscribed angle, yung measure nito, 1/2 nito. Next. Kapag we're looking for measures of this, example, ito, natin AB, CD, AB plus CD over 2. Yung measure nito. Yung measure nito. Next. Kapag naman sa labas, tatlong case yun. Ganto, or ganto. In any of the three, yung measure nito is Sige, let's start with this muna. Ayan, yung isa tangent, yung isa secant. Yung measure na angle na to is AB minus BC over 2. Malaki minus yung maliit. Ito naman, dati AB ito, malaki minus maliit. Pag both tangents, no, 1/2 nun. 1/2 times major minus minor. Ito naman, yung measure nito, 1/2 AB minus CD. Nagets ba, guys?
Gets po.
Okay. Ayan na. So, yan. Bale, to remember it easily, basta pag nasa loob yung hinahanap nating angle, ito, example, tulad nito, ina-add natin. Kapag naman nasa labas, nagsusubtract tayo ng dalawang arc. Okay? Sige, yan. Yan, let's continue. Ulitin natin. Sige. Let's repeat. Ayan, sige, let's go back. Let's go back to this, let's go back to our item. Ayan. So, let's start here. Okay, game. Ayan. Okay, so, ito, di ba? Ang unang tanong sa atin ay RTE. RTE, no? RTE. So, TE, dahil nasa labas ito, given kasi yan eh. Tama ba? Yes, given to. TIE equals 20. Dahil given yan, we can use that. TE minus NC over 2 equals 20. Nagets yun, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yan. Sige. Ngayon, let's substitute yung mga known natin, no? Sige, wait lang. NC30, CR40, TER160. Okay. Ayan, TE minus NC over 2 equals this. So, TE minus 30 over 2 equals 20. Hindi pa lang ng operations kanina. TE equals 70 pala. Ayun. Gets yun? Gets na? Nagets na? Wait lang Let's see. NC 30. 70 minus 30 over 2. Ayan. Okay. Gets na, guys? Okay, game. Ngayon, ito raw. So, paano yan? Okay, paano to? Ito is TE plus NC over 2. Alam na natin pareho yan. 70 plus 30 over 2 equals 50 degrees. Nakuha ba, guys? Nakuha? Nakuha ba, guys? Ano, guys? Nakuha ba? Nakuha ba, guys? Hindi. Sige. Okay. Sige. Let's do this muna. Sige, para di tayo masyado mahirapan. Okay, sige. Ito muna. Skip muna natin to. Answer the following muna. Okay, guys. Nakikita to? Nababasa ba? Ito mo ng apat. Ay, numberan ko sila. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Solve for x bali tayo. Solve for x. Tama. Number 2, 7, number 3, 1, 2. Yes! Tama ito. Hmm. Okay, yung number 4, linawin ko lang. Itong 20 degrees, ito, yung minor arc na ito. Ayun, oh. From there to there. Okay? Yan, yun yung 20 degrees. Okay? Ang hinat natin ito, si X. Okay, sige. Sige. How about yung iba? Kamusta? Sige. Number 4. Takihan ko yung number 4, ah. Alaala na. Pakihan ko yung number 4 para mas makita niya. Nakuha niyo naman yung 1 and correctly eh. Ito yung number 4. Sorry, mali. Ayan. Yung number 4. Sige, in 2 minutes I'll discuss. Then medyo hirapan tayo dito. Kasi almost done na tayo sa time eh. Meron akong papasagutan sa inyo. Okay. Okay, sige. Tara, let's discuss. Ganito yan. Okay, game ah. So, let's start with number 1 muna. Number 1. Number 1 is like this. Number 1 is, ganito. $100 minus x over 2 equals 40. 100 minus x equals 80. X equals 20 degrees. Yeah? Okay. Next, number 2. Number 2, ganito. Central angle to by the way, central angle. Hindi ko na-specify na center ito eh. Okay? Sige. Dahil x to, x din yung measure ng arc. Tama? Okay. X minus 30 over 2 equals 20. X minus 30 equals 40. X equals 70. Next. Number 3. Ito. Ito hinahanap natin. Ito is 1/2 times 40 plus 20. Tama? So, 30 degrees to. Ito, 180 minus 30. 150 degrees. Last one. Ito. Last one. This one, dahil x to, inscribed angle siya. Kasi nandito siya nakalagay. So, dapat 2x ito. Kasi half to nito. So, using the formula, 2x minus 30 over 2, 2x minus 20 over 2 equals 30. 2x equals to 80. X equals 40. Nagets ba, guys? Yes or no?
Gets po.
Okay. O, sige. It's ready for 16. We'll end there. So, ito. Meron ng assignment for you guys. Assignment. Ito, required talaga to. Kasi, medyo nahirapan kayo eh. And I want you to practice. Answer slides 72 to 79. Answer slide 72 to 79. Answer only, kahit wala ng solution. Yan. Kasi medyo, feeling ko medyo ano kayo eh. Tapos, send nyo sa akin answer nyo before Wednesday next week. Para I can give feedback and discuss and okay, clear ba tayo doon, guys?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Yun. Sige, that's all for today. Naka 2 hours na tayo. O sige, guys. Maraming salamat. I know medyo nahihirapan kayo. Pero next week, we'll discuss more problems about this, no? Kasi yung mga nakikita nyo, it's just the madaling situation. Kasi there are lots of others, lalo na sa tangents, lalo na sa chords. No? There are more other situations. Marami pang iba. So, we'll discuss that next week. O, sige guys. For Friday, we'll have chemical equilibrium sa chem. So, maganda sana if sanay na kayo mag-solve function. Okay, sige. O, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Okay na guys ha. Bye-bye.
Thank you
Thank you,
po.
ma'am.
Okay.